Israel kills Hezbollah chief in Beirut strike. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Israel has killed Hezbollah chief Hassan Nasrallah in a huge airstrike in Lebanon, dealing the movement of a seismic blow that Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu Saturday called a turning point for his country. Hezbollah confirmed Nasrallah's death after the Israel military said he was killed in an airstrike on Friday on the southern suburb of Beirut. Some Israelites celebrated his killing while in Lebanon. His supporters disbelieved and gave some astonished mourning. Around the region, leaders condemned the slaying while some Hezbollah allies vowed vengeance, fueling fears of more violence in the Middle East after nearly a year of war in Gaza. Israel carried out more attacks on Lebanon on Saturday, with one Lebanese security source saying that a strike targeted a warehouse near Beirut airport. Israel military has also warned it will follow arms shipment through the airport. Iran, with arms and financing Hezbollah, said that a senior member of the Revolution Guard Corps had been killed in the same strike. A source close to Hezbollah said that the group's commander in South Lebanon, Ali Karaid, has also been killed. Women were seen weeping on the streets in Beirut as Hezbollah announced Nasrallah's death. "I can't describe my shock at this announcement. We all started crying," said Maha Karet, one of the few people who agreed to be identified by name. But some Israelites hail his death. Nasrallah was the face of Hezbollah, enjoying cult status among the Muslim supporters, and was the only man in Lebanon with the power to wage war or make peace. Israel military spokesperson Daniel Hagari said his elimination made the world a safer place. In Tehran, supporters of Nasrallah wrote up on banners bearing the slogan, "Hezbollah is alive." Iran's first president, Mohammad Reza Arif, denounced the unjust bloodshed and threatened that Nasrallah's killing will bring about Israel's destruction. U.S. President Joe Biden, whose government is Israel's top arms supplier, said it was a measure of justice, while Kamala Harris, who is running to replace him in the White House, called Nasrallah a terrorist with American blood on his hand. Israel has raised the prospect of ground operation against Hezbollah, prompting widespread international concern. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.